see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day and the dark says goodnight, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of a rainbow are so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? But they're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, then I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I think to myself, it's a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I really know what I'm saying. I think to myself, it's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful, wonderful world. It's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful, wonderful world. It's a wonderful
We were strangers, starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a keep going.